Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Roll tide like crimson. That's how I like my baby. Like I like my chicken. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Y'all come closer to me. Y'all come closer to me. So much distance between us. Distance between our bodies.
Oh my god, it's so crowded on here. Good, we're on the way to Jamaica. I kind of want to vlog a little more, but y'all know how it is vlogging in public, so I'm gonna be extra. But yeah, definitely excited. I look how what we want to do right now.
Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. Flight number 453, service over to Montego Bay, Jamaica.
So we literally just landed in Jamaica. Yay! So happy that we are finally here. The flight was so long, so uncomfortable. I tried to upload every day since I do have my camera, my laptop, Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna hit y'all with a video every day, even if it's just a 5 or 6 minute video. Ooh, look at this. Jamaica, Jamaica. Alright, so me and Ryan are finally in Jamaica. Of course, we have to get the turn up started. I don't know if I said this in the last clip that I recorded, but I'm gonna try to post a video every day in Jamaica. So by the time I leave, it should be like 5 uploads. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But let me show you what I'm drinking. So if y'all know me, y'all already know this is tequila and pineapple. This is just a straight shot of tequila. This is some bullshit drink. I don't even know what it is. I'm just kind of using it as a chaser. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? So we had to upgrade our room because, you know, we celebrating my brother's birthday and we just some boss bitches out here. You know what I'm saying? Bitch, we bossed up in America, so we bossed up in any other country we go to. The fuck? But no, on a serious note, look at this view, y'all. This is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me zoom so y'all can really get in. Alright, now let's focus. Yo, check out this big ass Carnival ship. That shit is huge. Like, looking at it on camera is not really doing it any justice. So we are in Montego Bay, Jamaica. My first time here in Jamaica, but I'm having so much fun already. Alright, so day 1 in Jamaica. Me and Ryan about to go get something to eat right now. This is the pool, nice as fuck. I feel like everything looks so much better in the evening now. And excuse the camera if it's fogging up because it's kind of muggy outside, so. But look, this pool is everything. Wow. Oh my god, I gotta go down here. Of course I got the Gucci's in Jamaica, you know. Ryan, we need a picture. Wow. Oh my god, and you can even see the fish. Let me see if I can zoom in if y'all can see that. Whoa. That is crazy. Definitely getting in here. Maybe tonight. Or it's tomorrow. Ryan, you can even see the fish right here. Definitely smell bad though. So it's kind of dark in here, but I'm at this sushi restaurant called Gohan. I just ordered like 8 California rolls because I'm starving. So I got like 8 California rolls, a spring roll, and like some other shit. I just ordered a lot of stuff because basically everything is all inclusive and it's already paid for. So to me, it's essentially free. So yeah, so Ryan went up to the room right now and This is just like the cute little intimate setup. I like it. But yeah, so far day one of Jamaica has been so much fun. I'm not sure if this is an alcoholic beverage or not, but so pause. Just now the people over at this table, like right here, so I was vlogging, you know, I'm so used to just like honestly vlogging in public to the point where like I don't even pay attention or even notice that people may be looking at me like, why does he have a camera to his face? Like, what is he doing? Even though I know it may seem a little strange, but in my mind, because they don't know me, I don't really care or think about it. Anyways, so this lady was giving me like a thumbs up. It was just like super awkward. Even like right now, I can feel people at the other table looking at me, so I'm gonna stop vlogging for now. But I did meet this gentleman named Michael. He came by, he's like a young YouTuber, and we only spoke like briefly. He was like, hey, it's nice to see another creator. Shout out to you, Michael, if you're watching this. I hope you subscribe. But yeah, I'm still waiting on our food to come. Ryan went upstairs to charge his phone for a little bit, so I'm just sitting here by myself for now. But it's been a good day. It's kind of warm in this restaurant. I feel like I'm hella shiny. But yeah, I'm gonna stop vlogging for now because I don't wanna keep having those awkward moments.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Roll tight like crimson. That's how I like my women. Like I like my chicken. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Y'all come closer to me.
Every day in Jamaica,
So much distance between us.